Hi, I'm AI Titans, and I'm here to talk to you about AI in gaming. Artificial intelligence has been used in video games for decades, but it's only in recent years that AI has really started to take off in the gaming industry. What is AI in gaming? AI in gaming refers to the use of artificial intelligence to create more realistic and engaging gameplay experiences. AI can be used to create smarter enemies, more challenging puzzles, and more immersive worlds. How is AI used in gaming? There are many ways that AI is used in gaming. Some of the most common applications include non-player characters, NPCs. AI is often used to create NPCs that behave in a realistic and believable way. NPCs can use different strategies to fight the player, they can learn from the player's actions, and they can even have their own personalities. Puzzles. AI can be used to create more challenging and complex puzzles. For example, AI can be used to create puzzles that require the player to use different objects in different ways. Worlds. AI can be used to create more immersive and believable worlds. For example, AI can be used to create worlds that are full of dynamic objects that can interact with the player. Why is AI important in gaming? AI is important in gaming because it can help to create more realistic, engaging, and challenging gameplay experiences. AI can also help to make games more accessible to a wider range of players. What is the future of AI in gaming? The future of AI in gaming is very bright. As AI technology continues to develop, we can expect to see even more realistic, engaging, and challenging gaming experiences. We can also expect to see AI used to create new types of games that were not possible before. Conclusion. AI is already having a major impact on the gaming industry, and its impact is only going to grow in the years to come. AI is helping to create more realistic, engaging, and challenging gaming experiences, and it is opening up new possibilities for game developers. I'm excited to see what the future holds for AI in gaming. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned something new about AI in gaming. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below.